What's going on, everyone? Today's a day for me to make healthy videos, so I guess I'll make another one. Antiviral natural products and herbal medicines to combat viruses. Any type of virus, really. There's a huge list here, and I'm going to share with you guys because I find some interesting things on the internet, and here is one of them. Antiviral effects from several natural products and herbal medicines. Natural products, herbals. Why do we have pharmaceuticology? It's a good thing. Some people make the extracts, and they are amazing. Like, for instance, I'll show you guys one. Let me just pause this video. I'll pull it up. All right, so this is one of the good pharmaceutical companies. These are the ones that need to be funded. These are the ones that need to be taken care of. Like, the government should be dropping billions into these types of companies because they work with farmers. They encourage people to grow their own cures and to extract them. That is what we should be doing. Highly Pharmaceuticals and its affiliates have been farming, harvesting, and extracting, purifying, and manufacturing artemisian and its derivatives for over 30 years. And they sell this amazing products. I took this when I got really sick in January, and I got better within 3 days. It's an intense antiviral. It's actually on that list I'm going to be going back to in a moment here. And I love this company. I really do. These are like the people that we need in this world. These are the ones that should be exalted above and say, this is the example. This is what we should follow. And no one does. No one says that shit. And that is so annoying to me because this world is sick, man. This world is sick. And here's the product. Here's what they make. It's the Artemisia 100, the 50. It's really good for pets and animals. If your animal's dying from shit, they have really good nutrient supplements, compounds, whatever, for your animal. So if you have a sick animal, I would definitely suggest this. Immune adjustant for dogs. It's funny that they sell things for animals on here, for doggies. But yeah, this is what I would take. I would take the Artemisia 100. Whenever I feel an onset of something, I would take one of these with an iron supplement. And I would get better within a few days. I would. I feel great. And that's who we need to support. And I don't get it because there's a statement, there's a word in the Bible that says, "Oh, pharmacology, watch out." But whatever. So here's a list of viruses and natural products that actually stop or create a barrier for them to not affect you, to not create replications inside your body. And this is a list, and I'm going to supply it for you guys in the description. It's got tons of viruses. I mean, herpes, hepatitis, HIV, influenza, measles, respiratory viruses. This list is pretty complete, and I love it. I love reading it. I love learning these things because these are some intense viruses. I mean, viruses cause cancer over time. That's what herpes does. It causes your DNA to start acting the fool and creating cells that shouldn't be there, and it's just overproduces, and then you get the tumor. That's a very layman way to explain how it works. I know there's more processes involved, but it's just a cellular multiplication that's gone array. And I know essential oils also help to reprogram the cells in your body because they break the blood-brain barrier. And I'll pull that other thing of the blood-brain barrier information. That blew me away. 1 second. Okay, here it is. I'm glad I saved it because I tried searching on Google just now and I had a really hard time finding it, but I had documented it in my email. So, right, good information is worth saving. So, the blood-brain barrier, David Stewart, PhD, RA. What is that? I don't know, but residence. I forget the names of the titles, but yeah, you combine these three, and it will literally recalibrate your DNA and RNAs to start working properly, and you'll start healing. And combine that with fasting, and you're going to be a winner. You're going to have a healthy body. You're going to be able to do whatever you want in this world. I don't know what you can do in this world, and people say you can do all kinds of things, but I guess all we can do right now is fuck if I know. And here's some Bible stuff too, just to give a resonance to my frustrations about this book and interpreting it improperly and causing problems for everyone, because what were the churches doing? Like killing all the healers in the church, the fake church, the Catholic fucks. Excuse my French. But yeah, that's German, because fuck is a German word. Frecken die Catholic. Die Catholic. Anyways, use of medicine, drugs, or spells. And I understand, because that's what we were doing in the past. That's like a lot of religion came out of drug usage. So I don't know what the fuck their problem is. I don't know whoever wrote this. Galatians, isn't that Paul? And the Revelations of John, Janus, or Griffin, who the Catholics called demon. Whatever. I go into tangents so bad. I'm sorry, guys. So, there's some knowledge. There's some keys. Unlock the doors you need to. And that's it. Enjoy your life. Enjoy the journey. The journey of pain.